In this video, I am going to show you how you can copy my trades directly to get this kind of result in an easy way by using the social trading feature of pocket option. And I am going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process. So watch this video very carefully. So as you can see, this is one of my VIP copy traders account, and he is the subscriber of my VIP Telegram channel, and he copies my trade directly, and he have recently joined, and he have already made a profit of $568 today, and in all time he have made like $1,060 profit. So if you are serious in making money by trading binary options automatically in your pocket option account, then this video is for you. So to copy trade, firstly, you can just simply log into your pocket option account and then click on social trading, and you can copy all of these account as you want. But there is one small problem that I'll explain you if you copy random people's account, which I'll explain you after a while, and you'll understand why you should not copy directly anyone's account. So now if you are my VIP copy trading Telegram channel subscriber, and if you want to subscribe to my VIP Telegram, then you can join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this YouTube video, and then you can see the instruction there and how you can get access to my VIP copy trading channel. So firstly, you click on here. Okay, once you enter in my VIP copy trading channel, then you will get a UID from me and required instructions inside that VIP copy trading channel. And you just come here and click on social trading and click on here and click on search, and then just put the UID, user ID, that I provide you inside my VIP copy trading channel, and you will see a name that appears at here. Now this is not my ID, I am just showing you as an example. Now let's click on here, and recently I am doing $200 per trade. So as you can see here, my max trade is also 200, minimum trade is also 200. That means you can either copy 100% of my trade or even 1%. That means you can copy $2 per trade, $4 per trade, $8 per trade, as you wish. And this is the exact thing that I am going to explain you how you can do it. So firstly, you just click on copy, and then let's say you put nothing in this stop balance, minimum copy trade amount. If you do nothing here, then it will show red flag, okay, red text. Okay, so you should put at least one at here. Okay, and you can leave it unlimited at here. So if you put 100% at here, then that means if I make $200 per trade, then you will also make $200 per trade. But let's say you just want to test, so you can do is, what you can do is copy 2%. And what happens when I make $200 per trade, then you will be copying $4 per trade. The 2% of $200 is $4. So let's say you want to copy 1%, that means $2 per trade. Let's say you want to copy $20 per trade, then you can do 10% at it. It is as simple as this. You can play with this thing. Okay, and one important thing, in my VIP copy trading channel, I regularly announce how much dollar per trade I am going to do in a certain week or certain month. Okay, and what you can do is you can see that, and then according to that you can fix this percentage. I announce it before trading. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. Once you do this much, then just click on confirm, and all of my trades will be automatically copied to your account, even if you are offline and if you are not online, or if you are not even logged into pocket option for lots of days. Your trades, my trades will be automatically be copied in your account. And once everything is done, then just click on confirm, and that's done. Now the problem that I was talking about for by if you copy random people, let's again see this one. Okay, here you can see I have made a trading profit of $1,787 today, and his minimum trade amount is $1 and maximum trade amount is $700. But if you see here, my minimum and maximum trade amount is always same. Now what happens is, let's say today I made 15 trades and I made profit in 10 trades, and let's say I made 10 trades today and 7 trades were profitable and 3 trades were loss, and I was trading with the same amount. That means You will make profit if I make profit, you will make loss if I make loss. But in this case, what happens? Let's say he made a trade of $1 and he made profit, and he made a trade of $700 and he made a loss. Then what happens? That will not balance the amount that you are losing and amount that you are making profit with the right and wrong trade. That's why if you copy them directly, then you are going to definitely lose the money if they make loss in big amount and make profit in small amount, and their profitability will show higher, but you will ultimately make loss. Now, if you are interested to copy my trades directly in your account, then you can join my PIP copy trading channel, as I have already previously also told you how you can join it. And all of the instructions that is required to start or set up the copy trading in this social trading section is given properly inside my VIP copy trading channel. Just watch it and you can implement that exact thing and start to copy my trades automatically in your account to make profits. Now I'll see you inside my VIP copy trading Telegram channel. Have a nice day. Bye.